Introducing Banala Sense, an innovative sound wave technology designed to enhance your sleep quality, allowing you to experience deeper sleep and wake up feeling refreshed. The Sense model introduces new features beyond aiding sleep, including modes for focus enhancement, relaxation, and feel good. The package comes with a Banala Sense device, a USB Type-C charging cable, and a user manual. To start using your Banala Sense, press and hold the power button for approximately 2 seconds, then release. The device will power on, displaying a status light and a welcoming message.
Welcome to Banala Sense.
To turn off the device, press and hold the off button until the device blinks, indicating it is turning off. The device includes a night light function with 3 brightness levels. Press once to turn it on, press again to increase the brightness, and after reaching the 3rd level, press once more to turn it off. Modes of operation. Relaxation mode. Press the button to enter relaxation mode,
Feel Good Ready,
which automatically initiates a sound wave technology designed to help you relax. For best results, use it continuously for more than 10 minutes at a comfortable volume level. Focus mode. Activate focus mode by pressing the button.
Focus Ready.
The device will emit sound waves that enhance concentration. Ideal for when you are working, studying, or engaged in activities requiring focus. For optimal results, use it for more than 10 minutes at a comfortable volume. Deep Sleep Mode. Press the button
Banala Ready.
to activate Deep Sleep Mode. Place the device approximately 1 meter away from your bed. Turn it on when you're ready to sleep and off upon waking. Adjust the volume to a barely audible level for maximum effectiveness. The intelligent sound waves emit frequencies that have properties making it easier to fall asleep, sleep comfortably, and achieve deep sleep. Feel Good Mode. By pressing the button,
Feel Good Ready.
you can activate Feel Good Mode, which employs sound waves to improve your mood. It's perfect for moments when you need a boost of happiness or stress relief. Use it continuously for more than 10 minutes at a comfortable volume for the best results. For all modes, the ideal volume setting is low enough that you can barely hear the device, allowing you to ignore it and enhance its effectiveness. Bluetooth mode. After turning on the device, or while in a sound wave mode, press the M button to switch to Bluetooth mode. Press M again to return to sound wave mode. Connecting via Bluetooth. Activate Bluetooth mode by pressing the M button after the device announces
Bluetooth Ready.
Pair it with your mobile phone by selecting Banala Sense from the available devices. Once connected, you can stream music through the device. Banala Sense offers a unique feature that blends its various sound wave modes with music from a Bluetooth-connected device. For example, you can play your desired music while falling asleep and press the button to activate the Deep Sleep Sound Wave mode to blend the sleep-enhancing sound waves with the music. This combination of sound waves will make it easier to fall asleep, sleep more comfortably, and achieve deeper sleep. You can also play your favorite music while working on tasks that require concentration or while studying for exams, and press the button to activate the focus-enhancing sound wave mode. This integration of sound waves with your music will help improve your concentration and focus. Banala Sense is globally recognized for its health benefits, with overwhelmingly positive reviews from users around the world. It's highly recommended for anyone looking to improve their sleep and well-being.